Welcome to my video. I'm going to be doing another EUDAX stem kit experiment in here, and this one I'm going to talk about magnets and how they repel each other. I just want to show you this real quick. Here's the experiment we're doing. That experiment right there, we put the pencil and the ring magnets together, and this one I was not able to do. The magnets kept flying off this little rod here, and it's kind of hard to demonstrate, so I'm not going to be doing that one. You may have trouble with that one too. So just FYI. Okay, so first of all, what we're talking about in this video is the basic properties of magnets. And here we see on a magnet they have north and south poles. The north and south poles attract each other. So if you have two unlike magnets putting together, they're going to attract each other. So I'll just demonstrate that real quickly with these. Okay, there's the north. They don't like each other. It's kind of hard to tell, but they do repel. Now, you do it this way, they attract. And they want to come together. So the two north and south are attracting, north and south are attracting. And the north and north repel, south and south repel. So that's what this little diagram is trying to show. Unlike ends attract, like poles repel. So just to demonstrate that, these two magnets, you can see that the north and south do attract each other. These magnets aren't really very strong, to be honest with you. These stronger magnets are more obvious. And the north and south do attract each other. And then the north and north, you can't get them to stick together. They don't really want to be together. They go apart. Same with the south. So like ends repel and opposites attract. Now, like I said, I could not do the one with this experiment here because they kept falling apart, so I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do, though, this is kind of a neat little experiment. I've got these are two ring magnets now. So that would be like the North Pole and the South Pole. So when I put them together, they do attract. Now I put them on this now. Okay, you can see they're attracted together, the North and the South poles. Now if I reverse that, now I've got the South Pole here and the South Pole here on this magnet. So let's see. See, they don't want to get together. They repel each other. This is a much better demonstration really of how they repel each other. So you push them together and those things just really don't want to be together. Now let's reverse that. I'm going to put the north end here and the north end here, and same type of situation. So the opposite poles attract and the like poles repel. That's kind of neat. I'll probably shoot that right off there if I wanted to. All right, well, hope you learned a little bit about magnets out of this demonstration, and like ends repel each other, opposite ends attract. And thank you for watching.